I already added the salt and the oil. Ya yo añadí la sal y el aceite. Got a package of thighs. Tengo un paquete de caderas that I'm about to wash right now. Se lo voy a lavar ahora. Some vinegar. And some half a lemon. I'm gonna wash them like that first, okay? And just take pretty much the fat out. Y sacarle un poquito la grasa del pollo. So besides cleaning them up with vinegar and a lime, I'm also going to season them clearly, but I'm also going to add, the other half of the lime, okay? Además de limpiarlos con vinagre y con la lima o el limón, voy también a añadirle más limón, okay? La otra mitad se la voy a añadir. The other half I'm just going to add it up just real good like that. Little drippings. Okay, and then I'm gonna start seasoning this. Okay. I did salt and then I did onion powder. This is garlic powder, chicken bouillon o cubito from Nord, And clearly, I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other side. Y como siempre, voy a hacer eso en el otro lado, you know. Season both sides, so, you know, it could be flavor on both sides. I'm gonna add also sazón Goya, un sobrecito de sazón Goya. This is for, you know, coloring and just a little flavor. But let me tell you like this, you know, you always have to mix some type of like adobo or some type of salt with the sazón Goya so it can have like flavor, because it's mostly, to be honest, like for coloring. But if you combine it with something else, it'll give the flavor, if that makes sense. Okay. Usted siempre tiene que combinar el sazón Goya con una sal o otro sazón para que, you know, para que sazone bien. Si no, como que no sé, como para mí no sazona muy bien si es solamente el sazón Goya y más nada. If it's only the sazón Goya and that's it, like it won't be as seasoned. But you guys get the point. Massage it real quick. And then okay, so I have my stove on high, we could say, and I'm gonna add some pure avocado oil. Mi estufa está prendida en alto y voy a añadir aceite de aguacate. But you guys can use whatever you have available. And as you can see, I don't measure. Como pueden ver, yo no mido. It's rare that I measure, so. Alright. Also, I have here just, you know, a few bell peppers and onions, because I'm going to try to make it smothered. And, you know, you can dice these, but my daughter doesn't like onions and peppers. So I do them like this so she's able to take them off and whatever. So ustedes pueden, yo le voy a añadir cebolla y un pimiento verde, you know. Ustedes lo pueden cortar en trocitos bien pequeños, pero a mi hija no le gusta así. Mi hija no le gustan las cebollas, no le gustan los vegetales. Solo lo pongo así para que entonces ella se los remueva. Okay. And here just I'll do one of these. That is sofrito. That is like the Puerto Rican cooking base, or cooking base with vegetables and garlic, cilantro, you name it. It has everything in there. Estoy usando un sofrito, un poquito de sofrito. Y un poquito de pasta de ajo and a little bit of garlic paste. Okay, now the sofrito cube and the garlic incorporated together. So now I'm gonna add my chicken. Just sofrito y la pasta de ajo Ya se incorporó. Están juntos, so I'm gonna add my chicken. Like this. I'm gonna add it like that.
I guess because that's a normal style.
I'm gonna do my first 3. And then after that, then I'll do the other 3. Voy a hacer mis primeros 3 y después voy a añadir los otros 3, etc. Stay tuned. Quédense en sintonía. Okay, now I'm about to turn them. Los voy a virar. Smells so good in here. Okay, so they are done. So I'm gonna remove the first 3 and then I'm gonna put the other 3 and then I'm going to yes, you can see they're done. Then I'm going to put the vegetables in the same pan so we can make the gravy and stuff like that. With the juice and everything. Let her cook for a few minutes. Be back. Voy a dejar esto cocinar por un par de minutos. Vuelvo. Okay, so now I remove the chicken. You have like these crumbs in here and whatever. I'm gonna add the onions and the bell pepper. Ya removí el pollo. Voy a añadir la cebolla y el pimiento verde. Hush, Reese. Hush, Reese. Hush. Hush. Le voy a echar un poquito de mantequilla. Go to your cage. Vamos a ver. Okay. So now I'm gonna add the chicken broth. Keep it down. How much? I didn't measure. But at first try to do like maybe half a cup. Porque le eché no el cubito, el chicken broth aquí, el caldo. Ustedes saben que yo no mido, so traten primero de echarle como maybe media de caldo. Trying to get all all the scrapes, if that's how you call it, all the cooking things at the bottom. That's what's gonna give it the flavor. Let me add a little more. Maybe it needs a little more. Añadir un poquito más. Yes. Let's add a little bit more of the chicken bouillon. You don't want it salty either, but you want it with flavor. And start taking this in. I'm gonna add a little bit of the cornstarch. I want this to thick up. Okay, so now that it thick up, lower down the fire and I will add my chicken. This smells so good. You see it right there. And you got that smothered chicken. Good. Okay, people, so this is the final result of the smothered chicken. Este es el resultado final de el pollo con gravy. This is gonna be my plate. I know it's a little heavy, but okay, and then uh-oh. Here you go. Qué rico. You could put a little side of plantains or plantains, like they say it in another country, and you could put some, like a big avocado, but this is it. Qué rico. How delightful. Okay, I'm about to, let me see if I can taste it. It tastes good, so. Let's see. I know I have my bonnet on and everything. So. Okay, buen provecho, bon appetit. This has been 75. AKA Michi Wichi. Support. This is good. Thumb it up. Bye bye, take care. Esta ha sido Semilla 5, acá es Michi Wichi. Y sigue sintonizando. No se olviden de compartir todos mis videos en todas las redes sociales. Deditos arriba. Bye bye, cuídense. Bye bye and take care. Bye bye. It's good.